1 degree this morning. Whew. This is it. Winter. Winter here in New Zealand. Mga kabaka. So today we're going to set up our crops. As you can see on my back, we're going to set up for the cows to stay there. So it's another busy day here in the farm. We will show you how to do it and do some work here in the farm. So stay tuned. Watch our video. We are making a race going to the other end of this crop using the standard and the reel. I'm making a way, something like that, beside the crop. So we set up already our race. That one going there. There's a water through. They can drink water from that one. And we're going to set up fencing here. So the cow will just eat on the further bit at the right. So let's put power on this reel. Now let's going to set up 2 fences in the crop. First is the primary fence, and the second one, the one that I'm making this time, is the backup fence. This is in case if they will break out, so they will not going to spread out through the whole paddock. Instead, you can just stay on the second fence. In my way back, I'm supporting the fence or the reel by standards. So that one will going to hold and help that will not make it sag or touch into the further bit that may cause power short or shortage. Dara wag tangag kuan.
Balik na to para 21. Ugma anya.
Ini ay kurintin diri pang. By the way, shout out to all Bisdak, Bisayang Dako. We are from Bukidnon, Philippines. During work time, we're just using our vernacular language, Bisaya, even in the house. This time we're setting up our gate. That's a bungee. So we can just open and close this one. Easy access to the paddock. feeding hay in addition to fodder bit. Hey, go, move back. Go, go. Hey, hey. Come on. Hoy, move out. As you can see, that's the reel. That's the race that we made. So the cows just stay there. Thank you so much for watching.